Hi, today we're going to be learning to play tubular bells. So, for step 1, you need your right hand and your left hand. It starts right hand only, so we will begin by finding your right hand position. Your thumb begins on a G, so starting at C, below these two keys, count up. C, D, E, F, G. And this is your hand position for the entire piece. For your left hand, your thumb starts on A, so starting at C again, C, B, A. These are the notes you'll be using, so this is your beginning hand position. And then start working your way through the notes hand separately. So first practice the right hand. And then practice the left hand. And once you're confident on each, begin to put them together. I will now demonstrate step 1. So step 2 is immediately a lot harder, as one note is added in per bar, which means we have to change our hand position, each bar in fact. So, starting with our forefinger on A, C, D, E, F, G, A, and our first finger on E, the first bar goes as such. And then we need to move our forefinger up to C, here, below these two black notes. And then we return to the initial hand position. And our hands switch between those two positions for the entire piece. So I'll play the first two lines to demonstrate. And so on. The left hand is the same in this one. I will now demonstrate step 2. Step 3. Once again, the left hand is the same. However, the right hand gets a lot harder. I'm going to demonstrate this with what I think is the best fingering. So, for our hand position, we start with our thumb on E, C, D, E, and then rather than these notes, we're going to shift our 4 fingers up 1. So we've got here. So for the first bar, we're using 3, 1, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. And then, at the change of a bar, slide these 2 fingers up 1. And then, simply slide these 4 fingers back down. So your thumb is on E the entire time, and your 4 other fingers slide up and down. If it's more comfortable for you to do so, you can just change your 5th finger up and down between this C and D. So, like this. Do whatever suits you the best. This goes on for the rest of the piece, simply sliding your hand up and down. Practice that hand change a few times and then start working on the right hand. I will now demonstrate to you step 3.